seafood chowder. It's creamy, rich, and absolutely delicious. You will need seafood mix, cream, any broth or stock will do, green peas, flour, potato, carrots, onion, butter, garlic, and bay leaves. Start by peeling and cutting carrots, potato, and onion into small cubes. Smash the garlic cloves. In a pan over medium heat, add a generous amount of butter. Once it's melted, add onions and garlic. Next, add the carrots. Stir them for a couple of minutes. Now, toss in those bay leaves and mix in some flour. Gradually add the stock, a little at a time. Stir as you go. After that, pour in the cream. Add potatoes and green peas. Let it all simmer over the low heat for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. And now it's time for the seafood marinara mix. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And your seafood chowder is ready to serve. Just look at that creamy goodness. There you have it, a delicious seafood chowder.